Yeah, it's got like a really low RPM. It's got a really nice rumble to it.
It's got a little drone between 1.5 and 2,000. I can live with that.
I'm surprised though, like without the res, that it doesn't sound raspier. Like, I think it's because you have the catted downpipe, so that helps a lot.
Yeah, CTS catted downpipe. Definitely very droney.
Yeah, the drone is obnoxious wide open.
But it's really not bad.
It's only between like 1 to 2 though, right?
Yeah, no, I would even say 1.5 to 2. So if you're cruising on the highway above 2, you're fine. Zero drone.
Yeah, 0 drone on fully closed. And honestly, when you were revving it earlier, it sounds like stock. Even with your catted downpipe, it sounds completely stock, which is great, man. You know, like you want to be on the highway or a road trip and not have to deal with the drone. It's great.
Now I think it's 50% when you click it for the first time to open it. There you go, that's 50% open. Which, now this sounds like my old setup with the catted downpipe into the stock catback. Now it sounds exactly like that. Which, this is fully open.
Fully open. Oh my, what is it? Oh. Oh my goodness. Like legit, before catted downpipe stock exhaust with the aggressive pops on, it just sounded like, I don't know, like very tin canny. Now it sounds like there's like missiles shooting out the back, bro, like very deep and like throaty. Like you don't expect that out of a 4-cylinder.
The fact that this car is valved and it has the option of no res, like they give you an extra pipe, and I'm not a welder, but the welds look pretty juiced. What you get for the money is like crazy worth it.
Where's a good spot to go, to be honest? There's that one rope. I know there's speed bumps there.
What, like a left at the light?
Just something where there's not like houses, you know what I mean? Like, I'm all about, you know, like not disturbing people. There's not a lot of Euro spec GTIs out there. Hella flush. Oh my god, dude. Dude, literally. It sounds amazing, dude. I can't say that enough.
Alright, so to fully close the exhaust, you have to press A and hold it down for like 2 seconds. You can kind of hear the flap or like the electronics going off. 50% open, you just have to click the B once. And then if you want to do fully open, you have to press and hold B. Now you hear like 2 clicks from like the controller. And then it's fully open.
It really is. It really is. Yo, this is worth it, man.
Is it fully open?
Oh, it's a 335. Let's go.
Let me catch up.
I think it's a 328. Yeah, that shit's a 328, dude.